So Sonali, जैसे you are into real estate from last 20 years, so and this new upcoming project by Prestige, can you throw some light on that?
In last 20 years, I think Noida market has changed phenomenally. There was always a huge demand of people who could not afford to buy homes in Delhi. They always chose Noida because of its amazing connectivity. They could reach to different distance in Delhi, for example, NFC, South X, Connaught Place. So that was the main reason why people moved to Indirapuram, lot of places near Film City, and that led to phenomenal need for high-rise developments in Noida. And finally, the good news is here, Falcon is coming to Delhi NCR. So this location is Siddharth Vihar, which is in Indirapuram. And
Can you tell a bit about like Prestige, what is Prestige and how this brand is? You know, because maybe for some people this could be new. Because I have been in Bangalore, so I know about Prestige. But yeah, I would like to know more about it. The whole brand. First of all, what is Prestige and what this stand for?
very, very good question. People who have not traveled much to South India and are not well aware about Prestige, maybe have remotely heard from a friend or from something they've read in magazine. I would like to throw some light. Prestige is a very, very big brand, and they have been into real estate developments for the past 38 years, and that's a legacy they have built. They are into residential, commercial, they are doing shopping malls, warehousing, tech parks, and the projects that they do are larger than you can imagine. So I have been lucky to witness and experience their deliveries in Bangalore. They have delivered a lot of mega city developments, where I mean they have delivered projects with a magnitude of 100 acres, 250 acres, and in the last 2-3 years they've entered Mumbai and also Hyderabad. With this project, they are entering Delhi NCR. This is their first project in the residential development in Delhi NCR. Though they have started constructing, they're constructing malls in Aero City. That work is already undergoing.
Nice.
And there is a huge response and wait for the product to come into the market.
Okay, great. And I heard about this as well, that Prestige has done. They are the second in terms of turnover. They are the second biggest, I think. Right?
That is true, because last year it was Godrej Properties
Okay.
that crossed 22,500 crores, and but now second is Prestige, followed by Prestige with over 21,000 crore in numbers for
So
financial
when you
year.
say like 20,000, 25,000, 20 something thousand crore, so it is the worth of homes that they have.
Yes, so that was the total number of sales that they booked
number of sales.
for the financial year 23-24. And what I would like to share with the audience is that Prestige is known for its quality construction. Like most of the projects that I happened to visit, they've been developed by L&T, and they were the first ones to bring in the Maivan technique of construction. I think they did their project in 2008 in Bangalore, when this Maivan technique was quite new for the Indian markets. And that's why their products and deliveries, they stand the test of time, and people are very happy residing in them. So they are very focused on quality of construction. They are focused on timely delivery, and it's all about community building for Prestige as a brand. They ensure that once the project is built, they take care of the entire operations post.
Everything like school
In-house.
in-house schools.
And more than that, even the taking care, the maintenance part,
okay.
which most of the developers, they happen to build, and once the possession is handed over, they kind of exit from the property. Unlike what Prestige is known for, they develop the product and then they stay and maintain.
Maintain the property as well. Correct.
So they know where what is needed to make sure the people continue to enjoy, the home buyers continue to enjoy that high level quality living.
True. Got it. Even when I was in Bangalore, like in 2015, I was in Bangalore. So the apartment that I am in right now, exactly the same kind of concept. was there at that point of time in 2015. So they are really.
You're right. They're ahead
But,
of times,
yeah,
and they have been always been the pioneers when it came to quality living, quality construction, and for them it's always about their residents. So I think we are very fortunate that Prestige is entering Delhi NCR market with this big project, which is spread over 62.5 acres. In which, as you were mentioning, they are bringing the shopping mall. They will have a medical dispensary. They will have a school. So everything, the entire ecosystem for the people living inside will be amazing.
They need not to go out. I mean, if
It'll
they
be
want to,
absolutely
they can,
hassle-free.
But yeah,
Yes,
for the basic,
yes.
everything will be covered.
Yes.
Everything will be taken care of. Right. So one more thing, like someone like me, those who are like my age group, would like to have his apartment or has his or her apartment in this. So how they can go about this?
So the process is very easy. It is simple, and you have to definitely go with the authorized channel partner. So we are the authorized channel partner, and amongst the limited few people who were invited over to the Falcon Towers and even to visit all the property deliveries, few of the property deliveries by Prestige. If we had to see the entire, I think all the deliveries, it would have taken maybe more than 20 days to do so. So they have that kind of legacy behind them, and it was wonderful to understand the ideology. So coming back to your question, they are very supportive for the first time home buyers. Everything is very transparent, it is very legit, and the systems are very clearly stated out. All you have to do is reach out to us and we will explain you the process in detail. Also, they are known for their scattered payment plans and how it is kind of friendly for the customers to buy. And since this land is fully paid up and everything is clear, so the home buyer will be easily able to avail a home loan, and I don't think that would be an issue. So rest.
So those who are working, it won't be a
In
load
fact-
on their pocket.
In fact, most of the clientele are people who are working in IT,
yeah.
people who are working in professional jobs. So they will have this entire neighborhood community of people who are like-minded, and it is a upscale, upgraded living, because when it comes to Indirapuram, since the longest time, people have not been able to enjoy good quality residential development. So every project had its pluses and minuses, but with this gives them an opportunity to upgrade their lifestyle and build something for the elders, have everything within the complex for the younger ones at home, and enjoy a good peace of mind. And I think everybody wants a home where they can enjoy, and what they're paying for it, something they can get value from.
Right. Perfect. So in case अगर किसी को अपना apartment book करना है, so they should reach out to you. Right?
बिल्कुल हमारे तक संपर्क करें और हम बताएंगे कि इसका तरीका क्या है, एकदम सही तरीका, जिसके तरीके से आपको फर्स्ट फेज के अंदर अच्छे से अच्छा यूनिट आपके लिए मिले और आपके घर में बहुत समृद्धि और बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.